Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. Today we discuss about some properties related to rational numbers. Okay, we have closure, commutative, associative, identity, inverse, distributive properties. Okay, in the rational numbers properties, closure property. Just we know that let us take a comma b. First closure property. Closure property, if a comma b are any two rational numbers, a comma b are any two rational numbers, let us take 3 by 5 comma 7 by 5, these two rational numbers, then under addition we can check 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5, that is 3 plus 7 by 5, that is 10 by 5 is equal to 2. A comma b means 3 by 5 comma 7 by 5, they are belongs to rational numbers. Their addition is also a rational number. So under addition it is closure. Next you can check subtraction. 3 by 5 minus 7 by 5, that is 3 minus 7 by 5. 3 minus 7 minus 4 by 5. It is also a rational number. Under subtraction, rational numbers are closer. Next, multiplication. You can check multiplication. 3 by 5 into 7 by 5. 3 sevens are 21. 5 fives are 25. It is also a rational number. You should take any two rational numbers. Their product is also a rational number. Next, division. 3 by 5 is divided by 7 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 5. If you symbol change into multiplication, the fraction is reciprocal. 5 by 7, here 5 cancel, final answer is 3 by 7, is also belongs to rational numbers. Rational numbers are closed, closure property. Close under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For all the operations, rational numbers are closed. Next property, commutative property. Commutative. So okay, we need a comma b are any two rational numbers. The standard form is a dot circle b is equal to b dot circle is a. A dot circle b, b dot circle a. This is commutative property. Okay, in the dot circle place you can take plus, minus, into, division. Okay, you can check plus symbol first. Let us take any two. In before I took 3 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Just you can do that two only. Now 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. That value is 3 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, now 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that is 7 plus 3 by 5. 7 plus 3 value 10. 10 by 5 value 2. What do you conclude? 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Means finally a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is commutative property under addition. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, under subtraction. Now under subtraction, 3 by 5 minus 7 by 5 is equal to 3 minus 7 by 5. That is minus 4 by 5. Next here 7 by 5 minus 3 by 5. 7 minus 3 by 5. That is 4 by 5. Here 3 by 5 minus 7 by 5. 7 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Once observe, both are not getting same. Both are not same. Means what you conclude? A minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b not is equal to b minus a. Under subtraction it is not commutative. Rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction symbol. Okay, next we can check multiplication. Now multiplication, 3 by 5 into 7 by 5. 3 sevens are 21, 5 fives are 25. Next, 7 by 5 into 3 by 5. 7 threes are 21, 5 fives are 25. Finally, what you conclude? 3 by 5 into 7 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5 into 3 by 5. Finally, what you conclude? A into B is equal to B into A. This is commutative property under multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. It is commutative property under multiplication. So, rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Next, check through division. Now, we can check division. So, that is 3 by 5 is divided by 7 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 7. 5 cancel. What you got? 3 by 7. Now 7 by 5 is divided by 3 by 5. That is 7 by 5 into 5 by 3. This is reciprocal. 5 cancel. We get 7 by 3. So these two not equal. So A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Division is not commutative here. Rational numbers are not commutative under division. Now commutative property. So rational numbers are satisfied under addition and multiplication only. They are not satisfied under subtraction and division. So subtraction and division they are not commutative. Under addition and multiplication only commutative. Okay, next associative property. When we write associative property, we need three rational numbers. Let us take A, B and C or any three rational numbers. A, B, C or any three rational numbers. Then A dot circle B dot circle C is equal to A dot circle B dot circle C. This is associative property. Okay, now we have to take any three rational numbers. Let us take for suppose 3 by 5, 7 by 5 and 9 by 5. Take any three rational numbers, your wish. Take any three rational numbers like that. First, under addition we can check. Under addition, in the place we can take 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 9 by 5. Now 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 plus 9 by 5. Here it is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5 plus 9 by 5. So you can check left side and right side. So the two equal, then it is associative. Otherwise it is not associative. So okay, 3 by 5 plus this to add 7 plus 9 by 5. Here first left side will do 3 by 5 plus 9 plus 7, 16 by 5. Next is 3 plus 16 by 5. 3 plus 16 by 5, 19 by 5. So left side. Now right side. 3 plus 7 by 5. First in bracket simplify. Plus 9 by 5. 3 plus 7, 10 by 5. Plus 9 by 5. 10 plus 9, 19 by 5. These two ones observe. So LHS and RHS both are getting equal. Here 19 by 5, here also 19 by 5. Finally these two are equal. These two getting equal. So this is associative property under addition. Finally we have to conclude A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is associative property under addition. Okay? Okay, here these rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication. Under subtraction, they are not equal. Under division also, B divided by C is not equal to A divided by C is not equal to A divided B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B not equal to C. These two not associative. Under subtraction and division, rational numbers under subtraction and division, not a associative. Under multiplication and addition only associative. This is associative property. Next, identity property. Under addition, identity property under addition, for suppose a is a rational number, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity element. Okay, next, multiplication. Under multiplication, a into 1 is equal to 1. A into 1 is equal to a, 1 into a. This is also write as a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. This is identity property under multiplication. 1 is multiplicative identity. Here 0 is additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity element. Okay, this is identity property under addition and multiplication. Next, inverse property. Inverse property, additive inverse, a plus minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0. This is additive inverse. A is additive inverse of minus a is additive inverse of a. Next, a into 1 by a is equal to 1 by a into a is equal to 1. Here a cancel. A is multiplicative inverse of 1 by a. 1 by a is multiplicative inverse of a is equal to 1. We will take some examples. Here, for example, we will explain additive identity. 2 by 3 plus 0. 0 plus 2 by 3. That value is 2 by 3. Here next, additive inverse. 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 getting 0. Minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 getting 0. This is multiplicative inverse. 3 by 5 into 1 by 3 by 5. This is nothing but 3 by 5 into 5 by 3 is equal to 1. 3 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5 is that reciprocal of itself. 3 by 5. That multiplicative inverse is its reciprocal. Means 5 by 3. 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. 5 5 cancel, 3 3 cancel. Finally what? Multiplicative identity. So it is multiplicative inverse property, additive inverse property, additive identity property. 0 is additive identity element. 1 is multiplicative identity element. Don't forget this property. Finally, last property is distributive property. Distributive property. The first one is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is one of the distributive property. And second one is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Here A is distributing. A distributed to B and C. A into B plus A into C. That is distributive property. This is under multiplication over addition. Under multiplication over addition. This is under multiplication over subtraction. Under multiplication over addition. Second one, this is first one is under multiplication over addition. Okay, this is distributive property. Just some normal will say, just listen. See here, 0 by a, 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, everything is 0. A by a, the number by itself is value 1. Next, a by 0. A divided by 0. A by 0 meaningless, means it is not possible to find. Similarly, 0 by 0. anything by 0. 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 4 by 0, 100 by 0 also meaningless, means it is not possible to find. Next, a divided by 1. Anything by 1 will get the same number. 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, everything is same number will get. Okay? Yes. These are properties of rational numbers. We will do sums in next video.